Hi guys, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is Monday, April 27th, and I want to walk you through some of your lessons for today. All right, today, we'll get to that in just a second. This week we are starting some new phonics and spelling words. So these are our new words for our phonics unit. Scent, gem, ace, age, face, and huge. So you'll be working with those words this week. You are going to begin Unit 30, the soft G that sounds like J, and the soft C that sounds like S, as in giraffe and circle. After you watch the phonics video, you're going to do an episode of Head Sprout. For reading and writing, I've combined them this week. So you're going to click on the link and go to Scholastic Week 4, Day 18. You're going to be reading Red Riding Hood and Forest. So if I click on that link right there, it takes me right over here to the Scholastic page. And I'll scroll down until I find Day 18, Forest Habitats. So, oops, I can make this a little bit bigger so you can see here. You are going to read Red Riding Hood and Forests. As you are listening to this story and reading this story, I want you to think about which of these two books you like better and why. Today, I'm not asking you to do this video or the activity. You can if you want, but that's not part of our assignment today. Today, you're going to listen to this and this, decide which of those is your favorite. Then, you are going to write your opinion about it. Let's see if I can move this screen back a little bit. There we go. So you're going to be writing your opinion about which is your favorite of the two stories. Remember that you begin by naming the topic or the name of the book, and you state your opinion, which of those two books you like the best. You're going to supply some reasons for it, probably 2 or 3, and then have a conclusion. Make sure you also have capital letters in the right places and your punctuation is correct. Here is a sample that I did. So this is not one of your two choices. This is a different book called The Tiny Seed that you'll be reading later in the week. So I started with my topic sentence. I think the book, The Tiny Seed, is the best book. So I let my reader know which book I thought was the best. And I made sure that I capitalized the first letter of my sentence, and I also capitalized the important words in my title. I underlined my title as well. It's kind of hard to see on this, but that's how I know that it's a book. Then I stated my reasons for why I like this book. One reason I feel this way is because it is a fiction book, but also gives me information about plants. Another reason is that the little seed goes through some scary things, but turns out okay. My final reason is this book teaches me the central message of not to give up. So I stated my 3 reasons and what they were. My final sentence is going to be asking my reader to do something. I think you should read The Tiny Seed tomorrow, which you will be. So this is my sample of my favorite book. So you are going to, again, to recap, do phonics, read these 2 stories, decide which is your favorite, and then write an opinion piece about that. I would love for you or your parents to take a picture of the writing and send it to me so I can give you some feedback. You're also going to read for 15, 20 minutes books of your choice, books that are interesting to you. At the bottom of this document, I've also included some paper that you can use with writing, or you can just write in your notebook. Either one is fine. I've also included the opinion checklist for you to use so you know if you have all the parts of an opinion writing included in your writing. Have a great day learning today, guys. Talk to you soon.